Hello, Ederson Oliveira here for DNNHero.com. In our previous videos, we have seen how we could install DNN on Amazon EC2 service. Now, just to finalize that sequence of videos, I will be showing how you can point a live domain to the site that you have developed. Let's say that you have finished developing your site. Now you want to make it live, you want to make it your own domain. You don't want this development temporary domain to be your main domain, of course. So we have to do a few things. First is that we have to go to AWS Management Console, which we are here in its homepage. We go to EC2 and we will request a new Elastic IP, which is here on the left side. Under network and security, there's something called Elastic IPs. We're going to request one from Amazon because this IP will be linked to the A record of your domain. But let's leave it for a little bit later. So anyway, from Elastic IPs, I click on it. I will select allocate new IP, new address. And then I can select actually, you can just leave it as EC2 because this is where you have the domain, the website. So let's just leave it at that and click yes, allocate. Okay, perfect. So now I have a new IP address. Now I'm going to allocate this IP address to my site. So what I have to do, actually to my instance, what I have to do, I just right click on the IP address and I select associate. When I select associate, there's a drop down of instances that show up, and I'm going to select the only one that I have there, which is called DNN server. So, and then now I just hit yes, associate. So it's linked them together, my instance with the IP address. Now, if I copy this IP address and I try to load it in another window, it's my site is coming up because it's the only site that is there in the root folder of the websites of the web server. So my site is coming up here. Now, I don't want to access my site via an IP address. I need to link now my domain to this IP address. Now, that's a step that I will not demonstrate here because it's very particular to each registrar or each place that you may have your domain, your DNS residing. But bottom line is that usually this is sitting on your domain registrar, something like 1n1.com or GoDaddy, anywhere that you have registered the website, you have to go there and create an A record linking to this IP address. Again, I'm not going to demonstrate that because it's very particular to your specific situation. What I'm going to do right now is this. I'm going to go to my registrar under my domain, which, by the way, this is a domain. This is a test domain that I have, which if I go to another browser and I type in, it says DNNMagazine.com. It's not pointing to anywhere at this point, so we're just going to see an error coming up. So it just says server not found. Now, again, I'm going to associate the A record, letter A record of my DNS from this website to this IP address, to the IP address that we have grabbed from the Elastic IPs. Okay, so I'm going to do that right now to be able to access the site with the real domain name. Now, with the A record updated on the DNS of my domain, I should be able just to go and refresh this page here, and this site should come up. Now, perfect. Now I have this site live with my real domain there. That's what we wanted. That's what. Now we have the website running on EC2 on Amazon, and my domain, the record of my domain pointing to the new site. Now, just to give you a quick tip, if you have any problems locating where you can change the A record of your DNS of your domain, just go to Google and put something like this: how to update the A record on GoDaddy, on 1&1, on wherever it is that you have your domain registered with. Okay, so that's that simple. Anyway, with that, I conclude the series of videos on how to run your DNN website from EC2, Amazon EC2 service. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you very much, and bye.